Hi, I'm Billy Cameron, Director of Donaldson Door Systems. We are primarily a manufacturer of internal door sets, but also manufacture external door sets and staircases, along with other bespoke items to the major house builders and local authorities in the UK. Pain points prior to the implementation of our new door lines was basically capacities. We were operating in 3 shifts and we were maxed out across the factory in terms of all the product groups. So we needed to look at a way of introducing more capacity into the business, and that was introduction of new door and frame lines, which took away from our existing CNCs and allowed us to grow our internal door sets and other products within the business, such as staircases and external door sets. So one of the challenges that we had was we wanted to increase the capacities in the factory, but we also wanted to reduce the manual handling element of our existing process. So one of the challenges put to JJ Smith was, how can we increase production? Basically the target was, can we produce a door a minute, and can we take away some of the offline kind of manual handling work. It now means the product goes on by the cooker robot, comes off the other end, and already with the ironmongery on, and then it goes straight to what we call the final assembly stage. Our capacities prior to implementation of new frame line were driven by how many shifts and how many hours we could dedicate through our existing CNCs, which prior to implementation of door and frame lines were maxed out running 24 hours a day to feed the factory. Bringing the introduction of new door and frame lines meant that we could produce the same amount of doors in a single shift as we could on 3 shifts previously, thus freeing up more opportunities for further capacity, i.e. a back shift or a night shift on the single machine. So previously our production process for producing a frame and door would roughly take about 12 minutes. That's the machining of the door and then the insertion of the ironmongery on the door or the frame. That process has now been reduced to 1 minute and it comes off complete from the machine. Overall experience of working with JJ Smith's been really positive. We gave them a set criteria of what we wanted to do: increase our capacities, solve some health and safety issues, get our concerns that we had, and each challenge was met. We also had specific requirements for the type of ironmongery that we use for our customers that wasn't exactly straightforward for likes of the insertion line. So all of those challenges were overcome and met, and it's been a really positive experience so far.